Clean air is the fundamental basis for a healthy life. Humans breathe up to 4 million liters of air a year. The combination of oxygen, sunlight, humidity, and plants generates an agent natural purifier, the hydroxyl radical. Imitating nature, an innovative technology has been developed, responding to the global need for environmental hygiene. Allergens and asthma, bad odors, chemical substances, pollen and dust mites, virus and bacteria, animal fur, molds, particles and gases. Nuvohla devices purify indoor air and inactivate contaminants and pathogens. Sanitation and deodorization. Natural detergent. Plug and play. Active and safe continuous cleaning. Without filters. Low consumption. Automatic operation. A window of fresh air in your interior. Purifier Company. Oh. Nuvohla. Breathe better.